Yeah, they have more than probably the What?
Hi, I'm Tanya Murphy.
What is your major?
I'm a psychology major.
And why are you a psychology major? What made you become a psychology major?
I became a psychology major because I really like working with kids and I want to be a school counselor, and that was just the path that I decided to take.
That's awesome. Did you have a lot of attendance today at the art show? Today.
Specifically, not a lot today, just because everybody's usually really busy during the week, but people come in like right away when we have new exhibits and like Fridays are popular.
What is your favorite part about working at the art show?
My favorite part about working at the gallery, I guess, is just seeing the different types of arts that we get here, because we do have like a large range from like historical pieces to like super modern stuff like this.
Yeah.
My name is Sarah Marty.
Okay, so why are you working at the art gallery?
So I got involved, I was originally working in the fine arts department as a work study, and then I kind of moved up to the gallery because I was more interested in kind of the arts
Yeah.
here on campus.
Oh, cool. So, what do you think about the art gallery?
I love it.
Yeah.
I think it's a really good opportunity to see work from artists not only in Baltimore, but from professors, and also we do a student exhibition in the spring.
That's awesome. So, do you get to, I guess, hands-on work with a lot of the art?
So we had an artist in the beginning of the semester that we helped prepare and curate the exhibit for, but we do kind of help organize some of the events. I know I help with some of the marketing materials too, in terms of marketing the gallery on campus. So we certainly are hands-on with the gallery too.
So, did you have any current artist inspirations?
I like to look at a lot of the art in the gallery,
Yeah.
but specifically I took an art history course here, so I kind of looked at artists from like the Baroque period and everything. I'm specifically not in any art classes currently,
Yeah.
but I certainly love to kind of look at art not only in the gallery but in other galleries in Baltimore too, and DC also.
Yeah. Do you have any internships art-wise?
I have not. I've had mainly marketing internships, but certainly the gallery, my job at the gallery has helped me kind of get more into art also.
Oh.
Slower than others, but we mark down how many students come and visitors.
Is all the art made by students?
So we do have a complete
No, like it's only